Meaning of marcher.
Marcher. Marcher.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A person who marches, especially in a military or ceremonial context. 2. A device or machine that moves or operates with a regular rhythmic motion, such as a marching band or a marching drill. Examples. 1. The marcher held the flag high as the procession moved forward. 2. The marching band's rhythm section kept the crowd entranced. Verb. Definitions. 1. To walk with a steady, deliberate pace, often with a rhythmic motion, especially in a procession or parade. 2. To move forward with a sense of purpose or determination. Examples. 1. The band marched into the stadium, their instruments at the ready. 2. She marched into the meeting room, ready to present her proposal.
Marcher. Marcher.